Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the Part Design dress-up tool called Thickness. You also learn the several ways to invoke this tool. This Part Design tool is called Thickness. The Part Design Thickness tool transforms a solid body into a hollow object. This tool creates a thick shell from the active body and opens selected face. Here you find the several ways to invoke the Part Design Thickness tool and the steps to create the thickness on selected faces. Don't forget to activate the body to apply the thickness too if there are two or more bodies in the document. Here, you find the definition of the available options for the thickness tool. Thickness inward or outward means offset of phases inward or outward. In this picture, you see the steps to create a hollow object. In the following examples, I will show you the application of the Part Design Thickness tool on different objects. I created 3 different objects for the thickness application. Activate the first body and hide the others. I create a fillet. Now, press directly the Thickness tool. Set the thickness of the object and select the face. And then press the OK button to finish. If you want to change the thickness, double-click the thickness from the tree and set the thickness parameter new. Normally, the thickness will be created in Word. Remove the mark if you want to create the thickness to outward. Subscribe my video if you like my content. This is the second 3D object. As usual, first I activate the object. Press the Thickness tool. Select Faces to be open. As you see, the top and the bottom faces are opened. I delete the thickness. Now, I select another faces. Here is the result. Now, I have another example with different 3D object. Activate the object. Add fillet to the edges. Now, apply the thickness tool. To invoke the thickness tool, use the second option from Part Design menu. Apply the same procedure like the first two examples. Double-click to change the thickness or the direction of the offset faces. Changing the direction of the thickness. That is for today about the application of the Part Design dress-up tool thickness. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.